In the last session of logarithm part 1, you have learned the basic of the logarithm and the few properties of the logarithm. In this session, we will learn how to utilize these properties and further few properties of the logarithm. In the last session, you have learned that log base x की power y m is equal to 1 upon y log base xm. Now, how you can utilize this property? Suppose you have to find the value of log base 8 of 16. You can write this as log 2 की power cubed 16. Now by this property x power y, here 1 upon y, therefore we will write it as 1 upon 3 log base 2 16. Therefore it will equal to 1 upon 3 log base 2 to the power 4. Therefore it will be 4 upon 3. Suppose I am taking the another example. Let you have to find the value of log 9 of 27. You can write it as log base 3 square 27. Therefore, you can write it as 1 upon 2 log base 3 of 27. That is 1 upon 2 log base 3. 27 is 3 cubed. Therefore, you can write it as 1 upon 2 into 3, that is 3 by 2. So you have learned how you can utilize the property, this property of the logarithm. You should note that two main properties of log is that log base x, whatever is the x of 1 is equal to 0. And second, log base xx is always equal to 1. Another property of the logarithm is log base xy into log base yz is equal to log base xz. Now, if so, by this property, you can formulate two formulas. Number one, log xy, log base xy is equal to log base xy is equal to log base xz upon log base yz. Therefore, this xy goes to the base of these two logs. Second property, suppose you have to find the value of log yz. The log yz is equal to log xz upon log xy. Therefore, in this case, this yz has gone into the base, into yz has gone into here and new base x is created. This property can be utilized for so many to find the values of so many logs. Now, we like to draw the graph of the log x. Suppose we have to draw the log x, log ax. Here, two possibilities are there. Number one, a is greater than equal to 0 and less than 1. And second possibility is that a is greater than 1. Now we will take this one by one. Suppose we have to draw a graph of log ax when a is less than 1 and greater than 0. In this case, suppose these are your coordinate axes. Here we draw x. Here we draw log ax. In this case, graph of the log x will be like this. And this will be x equal to 1 because you already know that whatever the value of a, log 1 is always 0. Now in this case, suppose we have to find log ax if log ax is greater than log ay. Then we have to find what is the relation between x and y. Since in this case, suppose 2 points are here, this point is here and this point is here. In this case, it is greater than this because it is less negative, it is more negative. Therefore, it is log xy. This value will be log x, log base ax, and this value will be log base ay. So here it is clear that in this case it will be x and it will be y. Therefore, if log ax is greater than log ay, then x will be less than y. Implies that x will be less than y. Now, second position arrive. Suppose we have to draw the graph of log ax if x is greater than 1. The graph of this will be like this. Suppose on x-axis it is variable x and y-axis it is variable log ax and a is greater than 1. In this case, graph will be like this. And this point will be x equal to 1. Now suppose in this case log ax is greater than log ay. Suppose 2 points are here. These value of log ax and log ay. Since log ax is greater than log ay, therefore this point will be log ay. And this will be log ax. Sorry, this will be log ax and this will be log ay because log ax is greater than log y. Therefore, this point will be y and this point will be x. So in this case, x is greater than y. Again, it is clear that when a is less than 1, and log ax is greater than log ay, then x will be less than y. But if log a is greater than 1, that is base is greater than 1 and log ax is greater than log ay, then x will be greater than y. Many questions asked based on this. Suppose we have to find that log 4 if log base 4x minus 1 is equal to greater than equal to 2, then what is the value? What will be the range of x? In this case, we can write it as log base 4x minus 1 greater than equal to log 2 log 4 because log 4 is 1. That is log it is greater than equal to log base 4 square implies that log base 4 x minus 1 is greater than equal to log base 4 16. Since in this case this base is 4 that is greater than 1, and we have already learned that when base is greater than 1, log ax is greater than log ay, therefore x will be greater than y. Therefore, in this case, since base is greater than 1, x minus 1 is greater than this, they implies that x minus 1 is greater than equal to 16, implies that x is greater than 16. Therefore, x is greater than 17. Therefore, when log 4x minus 1 is greater than 2, then range x belongs to 17, infinite. 17 close interval. Now I am taking another example. Suppose we have to find log base 1 upon 4 x is greater than 2. We can write it as log base 1 by 4 x greater than equal to 2 into log 1 by 4 1 by 4. That is log 1 by 4 1 by 4 square implies that log 1 by 4 x is greater than equal to log 1 by 4 1 by 16. We have learned that when base is less than 1, log ax is greater than log xy, then x will be less than y. Therefore, in this case, base is less than 1/4. Therefore, in this case, x will be less than equal to 1 by 16. Therefore, but x should be greater than 0, x should be always positive. Therefore, x will be greater than 0 and less than 1 by 16. Therefore, in this case, x belongs to 0, 1 by 16. 0 is open interval and this is closed interval. Such type of questions are often asked in the engineering competitions as well as in JEE. I hope that you might have understand the basic of the logarithm, properties of the logarithm, how it can be utilized very well. It is all for today. Next time we will take another chapter. Thank you.